Add a touch of elegance to your space with the Ceramic Tabletop Fountain, where simplicity meets serenity. Crafted from premium black ceramic, this fountain brings gentle water sounds to your home, office, or meditation corner, helping you relax, focus, and breathe deeper. Its sleek modern design fits perfectly on any desk, shelf, or patio table, while the adjustable pump lets you control the flow, from a soft trickle to a mini waterfall. Compact, durable, and incredibly easy to set up, with a 6-foot cord and whisper-quiet operation. Whether you're styling a workspace or gifting calm to a loved one, this is more than decor. It's your daily pause. Let peace flow through your space with the Ceramic Pot Fountain by Decor.